Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and natural conversation about life in Dubai. You'll hear Anna and David talk about everything from the city's stunning skyline, modern lifestyle and shopping malls, to cultural experiences, desert adventures, and everyday life in this vibrant city. Whether you're planning to move, visit, or just curious, this conversation will help you practice English naturally and learn useful vocabulary about city life. Make sure you watch until the end to catch all the tips and insights, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who love travel and learning English. Let's dive in and explore life in Dubai together.
Hi David. I heard you recently moved to Dubai. How's life there?
Hi Anna, it's been amazing so far, very modern and full of opportunities.
That sounds exciting. What's your favorite part about living in Dubai?
Definitely the skyline and modern architecture. The Burj Khalifa is incredible.
I can imagine. What about the weather? I've heard it's really hot.
Yes, summers are extremely hot, but winters are very pleasant and perfect for outdoor activities.
How's the cost of living there? Is it expensive?
It can be pricey, especially rent in central areas, but salaries are often higher too.
Makes sense. What's the public transportation like?
Very convenient, the metro is modern and clean, and taxis are easy to find.
Do most people drive, or is public transport popular?
Many people drive, but the metro and buses are growing in popularity.
How about shopping? I've heard Dubai has huge malls.
Absolutely, the Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates are incredible. You can even ski indoors.
Skiing in the desert? That sounds crazy.
I know, it's quite unique. Dubai loves combining luxury with fun experiences.
How's the food scene there?
Amazing, you can find cuisines from all over the world: Indian, Lebanese, Japanese, you name it.
Do locals cook traditional Emirati food often?
It's less common, but you can try authentic dishes in cultural restaurants.
What about social life? Are there many activities for expats?
Yes, Dubai has plenty of events, concerts, and social clubs for expats.
That's great. How about safety? I've heard Dubai is very safe.
Yes, it's extremely safe. Crime rates are very low compared to other major cities.
How do people dress there? Is there a strict dress code?
Casual wear is fine in most areas, but modest clothing is expected in public places and traditional areas.
Got it. What about nightlife? Are there bars and clubs?
Yes, Dubai has a lively nightlife scene with bars, clubs, and beach parties, especially in the marine area.
How are weekends? Are Fridays and Saturdays the weekend?
Yes, the weekend is Friday and Saturday. Friday mornings often start with a family brunch.
That sounds fun. How's the healthcare system there?
Excellent. Hospitals are modern and medical care is high quality, though it can be expensive without insurance.
How about schools? I heard Dubai has international schools.
Yes, there are many international curricula like British, American, and IB schools.
Do people speak mostly English?
Yes, English is widely spoken, especially in business and daily life, alongside Arabic.
How's the work culture there?
Professional and ambitious. People often work long hours, but networking is very important.
Are there opportunities for expats in different industries?
Definitely, tourism, finance, IT, and real estate are major sectors for expats.
How about cultural experiences? Can you explore traditional Emirati culture?
Yes, visit the souk, heritage villages, and museums to experience local traditions.
What about outdoor activities? Is it possible with the heat?
Yes, but mostly in winter. You can go desert safaris, beach trips, or visit parks.
Desert safaris sound exciting.
They are amazing, dune bashing, camel rides, and traditional dinners under the stars.
How's the cost of entertainment and dining out?
It varies. Casual dining is affordable, but fine dining and luxury experiences can be expensive.
How multicultural is Dubai?
Very multicultural, expats make up most of the population, so it's easy to meet people from around the world.
Are there any cultural challenges for expats?
You need to respect local customs and laws, but it's generally welcoming for foreigners.
How is housing? Are apartments more common than villas?
Apartments are more common, especially in urban areas, but villas are available in suburbs.
What about outdoor shopping or markets?
There are traditional souk and modern outdoor markets, especially for spices, gold, and textiles.
How's public Wi-Fi and connectivity?
Very good high-speed internet is widely available and reliable.
Are there many parks and green spaces?
Yes, there are beautiful parks like Zabil Park and community gardens.
How do people commute daily, mostly by car or metro?
Many drive, but the metro is convenient for city travel.
What's the nightlife like during Ramadan?
Bars and clubs are closed, and eating in public is restricted during daylight hours, but cafes and social gatherings continue after sunset.
That's interesting. How's the taxi system?
Very organized, you can use taxis, Uber or Careem, and they're quite reliable.
How safe is it to walk around the city?
Extremely safe, streets are clean, and pedestrian areas are well maintained.
How about cultural events or festivals?
Dubai hosts international events like the Dubai Shopping Festival, Art Dubai, and global music concerts.
Can you enjoy a beach life in Dubai?
Absolutely. JBR Beach and Kite Beach are popular spots for swimming and sports.
What's the best way to experience local cuisine?
Visit local markets, traditional Emirati restaurants, or try street food at cultural festivals.
Are there gyms and fitness centers everywhere?
Yes, most neighborhoods have gyms, and outdoor fitness classes are common in winter.
How's the nightlife for families?
Family-friendly restaurants and entertainment venues are everywhere, especially in hotels and malls.
How do people spend weekends?
Shopping, brunch, beach outings, or trips to the desert.
Are there many sports activities available?
Yes, golf, water sports, football, and cricket are popular among expats.
How's the traffic situation?
Traffic can be heavy during peak hours, but infrastructure is excellent.
Is English sufficient for everyday life?
Yes, though learning basic Arabic phrases is helpful.
How about cultural sensitivity for women?
Women have freedom, but modest dressing is recommended in public areas.
Are there opportunities for social networking and business events?
Absolutely. Networking events, conferences, and business meetups happen regularly.
How's the nightlife for young professionals?
Vibrant, with lounges, clubs, and beach parties.
What about healthcare facilities?
Excellent and modern, though insurance is highly recommended.
Are there community events for expats?
Yes, expat groups organize cultural, sports, and networking activities.
How's the education system for children?
Very good, with international schools and curricula available.
Overall, would you say Dubai is easy to adapt to for newcomers?
Yes, it's modern, welcoming, and full of opportunities, but respecting local culture is important.
How's the nightlife scene for nightlife lovers?
Very active, especially in Dubai Marina and downtown areas.
Are there any hidden gems or local spots you recommend?
Al-Sikal Avenue for arts and Al-Fahidi Historical District for culture.
How's the coffee culture there?
Great. There are countless specialty coffee shops and international chains.
Are there many outdoor cafes?
Yes, especially along the waterfront and in community areas.
How's public safety at night?
Very safe, streets are well lit and police presence is visible.
What about festivals? Are there music or food festivals?
Yes, Dubai hosts food festivals, music events, and cultural exhibitions year-round.
Are pets popular in Dubai?
Yes, but there are strict regulations for pets in residential buildings.
How's the nightlife pricing?
Varies. Some rooftop bars are expensive, but casual lounges are affordable.
Are there opportunities for weekend getaways?
Absolutely. Ras Al Khaimah, Abu Dhabi, and Oman are nearby for trips.
How's public cleanliness? Very clean. Streets and malls are meticulously maintained. How about the taxi fares? Are they reasonable?
Yes, fares are standard and affordable compared to other big cities.
Are there vegetarian or vegan options available?
Yes, a wide variety, especially in international restaurants.
How's the internet speed?
Very fast and reliable across the city.
Are there cultural restrictions for tourists?
Tourists should dress modestly in public areas and respect local customs.
Can you experience desert camping?
Yes, it's popular and offers a unique cultural experience.
Are there many shopping festivals?
Yes, the Dubai Shopping Festival is huge, with discounts and entertainment.
How's public transport for tourists?
Very convenient. Metro, buses, taxis, and ride-hailing apps are all easy to use.
Are there any free attractions?
Many public beaches, parks, and art districts are free to enjoy.
What about luxury experiences?
Dubai offers luxurious hotels, fine dining, and yacht trips for those who want them.
How's cultural diversity in schools?
Very diverse. Students from all over the world attend international schools.
Can you enjoy sports outdoors in winter?
Yes, winter is perfect for running, cycling, and water sports.
How about co-working spaces?
Plenty, great for freelancers and startups.
Are there opportunities to volunteer?
Yes, many NGOs welcome expat volunteers.
How's the library system?
There are modern public libraries and university libraries open to residents.
What about nightlife for families with kids?
Family-friendly entertainment is available in malls, theme parks, and hotels.
Can you enjoy nightlife safely as a solo traveler?
Yes, Dubai is very safe for solo travelers.
How's the taxi service at airports?
Efficient and easy to find, with fixed fares to major areas.
Are beaches well maintained?
Yes, clean and with facilities like showers, sunbeds, and lifeguards.
Can you rent sports equipment easily?
Yes, for golf, water sports, and cycling.
How about entertainment for young adults?
Plenty clubs, concerts, comedy shows, and beach parties.
Are cultural tours available?
Yes, you can explore heritage villages, museums, and historic districts.
How's nightlife pricing during holidays?
Higher than usual, especially in luxury venues.
Can you find traditional Emirati clothing easily?
Yes, in markets and cultural stores.
How's nightlife transportation late at night?
Taxis and ride-hailing apps are reliable even late at night.
Are there desert adventure companies?
Yes, many tour operators offer dune bashing, quad biking, and camel rides.
How's nightlife for couples?
Very vibrant. Rooftop bars and romantic dinners are popular.
Are there quiet spots for relaxation?
Yes, beaches, parks, and some luxury hotel lounges.
How's shopping for electronics?
Excellent, with many options and competitive prices.
Can you enjoy nightlife with live music?
Yes, many bars and hotels feature live bands.
Are there opportunities for networking in Dubai?
Absolutely, business events happen all the time.
How's nightlife for music lovers?
Very active. Concerts, clubs, and music festivals.
Can you find international cuisine easily?
Yes, restaurants from every cuisine are available.
Are there theme parks?
Yes, Dubai Parks and Resorts, IMG Worlds, and Motion Gate are popular.
How's nightlife for expats?
Very welcoming, with expat communities frequenting popular spots.
Are there cultural restrictions in nightlife venues?
Some, like dress codes and alcohol rules, but generally manageable.
How easy is it to get around the city?
Very easy. Good roads, metro, buses, and taxis.
Are public facilities clean and modern?
Yes, everything is well maintained.
Can you experience water sports in winter?
Yes, the weather is perfect for jet skiing, kayaking, and paddleboarding.
Overall, would you recommend Dubai to newcomers?
Absolutely, it's modern, safe, multicultural, and full of opportunities.
Thanks, David. It sounds like an exciting place to live.
Definitely, Dubai offers a unique blend of luxury, culture, and adventure.